Have you ever wondered how crabs, the 10-footed creatures, survive in the diverse ecosystems they inhabit? These captivating crustaceans have roamed the Earth for millions of years, finding homes in all the world's oceans, freshwater bodies, and even on land, particularly in tropical regions. They are part of an order known as Decapoda, a fancy term that translates to 10-footed. Now, when it comes to dining, crabs aren't picky. They're omnivores, feasting on a menu that ranges from algae to mollusks, worms, other crustaceans, and even bacteria and detritus. Talk about a varied diet. The type of cuisine they prefer largely depends on the species and what's readily available in their environment. Speaking of species, there's a vast array of them. Some live for an impressive 100 years, while others have an average lifespan of 3 to 5 years. Dungeness crabs, for instance, typically celebrate about 10 birthdays. From the deepest oceans to our dining tables, crabs are versatile creatures that adapt to their surroundings. Ever thought about how a crab grows? It's not as straightforward as you might think. Crabs experience numerous stages of life before reaching adulthood, and in many of their early phases, they don't even resemble the crustaceans we're familiar with. Starting life as tiny larvae hatched from eggs, these miniature creatures are practically unrecognizable. They float freely in the ocean, journeying through the water currents while gradually metamorphosing into more recognizable forms. As they mature, differences between the sexes become apparent. Male crabs often sport larger claws, a trait incredibly pronounced in fiddler crabs. These males wield one hugely enlarged claw, a unique adaptation used for communication. But it's not just for show. These oversized appendages play a significant role in attracting a mate. So, while they may seem simple at a glance, crabs have a complex and fascinating life cycle, full of change and adaptation. Just like us, crabs go through various changes before they reach adulthood. Crabs aren't just fascinating creatures. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem and our kitchens. As omnivores, crabs consume a wide variety of foods, from algae to detritus, effectively cleaning the ocean floor. They serve as both predator and prey, maintaining a delicate balance in marine life. Their feeding habits help control the population of harmful species and provide a food source for other creatures, contributing to biodiversity. But crabs aren't limited to their ecological roles. They make a star appearance in our kitchens as well. From the blue crabs of Maryland's Chesapeake Bay to the snow crabs of Alaska, these crustaceans are a seafood delicacy enjoyed around the globe. They're boiled, steamed, grilled, or baked, and enjoyed in everything from soups to sandwiches. Crabs also support local economies, with crab fishing providing livelihoods for many communities. Not only do crabs keep our oceans healthy, but they also add flavor to our meals. So, what have we learned about the life of these intriguing 10-footed creatures? Crabs, hailing from the order Decapoda, grace every corner of our planet. From the depths of the world's oceans to the tranquility of freshwater bodies and even the vibrant landscapes of land, particularly in tropical regions, they truly are global citizens. As omnivores, crabs feast on a diverse menu, algae being their primary choice, supplemented by a range of foods from mollusks, worms, and other crustaceans, to fungi, bacteria, and detritus, varying with their species and what's available. Their life cycle is a fascinating journey, transforming from unrecognizable forms in early stages to the familiar adult shape we know. Males often flaunt larger claws, with fiddler crabs taking the crown for the most dramatic display, using their enlarged claw as a form of communication and mate attraction. Beyond their captivating biology, crabs are crucial to the ecosystem, maintaining marine life balance and serving as a global gastronomic delight. Next time you see a crab, remember, they're not just fascinating creatures, they're an essential part of our world.